Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Tehzeeb Khan from Paradise Hope. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can run your Unity web build in your local system. So there is one popular video on YouTube. You can see there is one command. When I was running this command, I am getting an error. So I will show you what kind of error you're getting. I am also getting that same error. So how we can fix this issue and how we can run our Unity build and local system. So first of all, we have to make sure our Unity project is running properly in Unity. So here you can see it is my running project is running properly. So now here I have to make a build. So first of all, you need to go the build setting. You have to select your WebGL and you have to at least add one scene here. You can see here scene, sample scene also added, right? So when you click the add open scenes here, you can add your scenes also. So here I am build. So here is a one folder is selected. You can select any folder. So now I saved build here. Now build is completed. Now it is running in this local port which is hosted by that Unity server. If I close this server, like I close this server now, if I trying to run, that will be not work. Okay, so here I have to go in this folder. Here is a Unity project. Here is a local build. This is a build template data and index.html. Few people are like thinking about if we can run from that VS Code, because I also did the same thing, but it is not working. So now index.html, we have a go live server. So if I did it, so you can see here I am getting the error, right? That kind of error I am also getting in a that command also. Which command? Like py hi sorry, here is not py. This is like Python 3m3 dots http server. Now here is if I am running this, I am also getting the same error, right? So what I need to do? So here I make a script, Python script, which is located here. So we have to copy this script. I will provide you in this description below. You have to go here and paste it. Okay. Now you have to go on you have to run this script. Like I have a Python 3 dot server. Now when I hit it, the port number is local port, so I have to go and I have to replace this 8000 to localhost. Now you can see my Unity build is working fine right now. So you can see, so there is a one UI issue. You can see my slider is something like here when my screen is minimal. Now when screen is maximized, the UI issue is comes. So I will solve you this issue in the next video. So there is a one problem also, like when I am sliding this, or according to this, that is the issue also. So there's lots of issue. The video is all about how you can run your Unity build local system. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.